guys, welcome back to Saidi's vlog. This is Dimple signing in back again with yet another reaction video. Sailesh is joining me as always. We are going to react on this song titled Father Sahab. Sounds very interesting, right, Sailesh?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's a legendary song because the amount of like and love the song is getting, I think it's already trending within 10 hours. And who are the people, man? Amit Badana. So
My God, we are talking about Amit Badana.
So one of the top YouTubers from the country and one of the top rappers, hip hopper, lyricist. I don't know what do we call King Rocco, right? So he is a legend. We have seen that in Hustle. So guys, I think without talking too much and taking your time.
And you know, Sailesh, I think we have to thank Preeti Chawan who had recommended this song to be reacted on, right? So Preeti, thank you so much for that.
Yeah, with that, let's get into the reactions. Come on, Amit Badana for the first time. King Rocco on the house.
Okay.
चल उठ जा। अरे कितने महीनों का सोया हुआ है अमित, चलना नहीं है क्या? अबे मैं हूं, पहचाना नहीं? तेरा बाप, बापू।
Sounds emotional. Father and son, no?
रे बापू तूने सिखाया जो कभी भूला नहीं, गलती ना हो तो सूरज की आंखों में ताड़ ले। जहां को बढ़े वो कदम रुके नहीं, सोच ऐसी हो चट्टानों का भी सीना फाड़ दे। लोगों से तेरे घुटने आज तक टेके नहीं गए, क्योंकि ऐसों से कभी घमंड के कपड़े फेंके नहीं गए। और जो डटा रे आखिरी सांस तक वो साथी होता है, वो सच का खड़ा भी एक अनेक में बेटा काफी होता है। और जो हक के लिए लड़े सबसे वो भी होता है। पीठ पे चढ़ के दुनिया दिखे जिसके वो भी होता है। और जो डांटे चाहे मारे पर दिल का साफ होता है। ज्यादा फिक्र न करे जमाने की, वो भी होता है।
Proper.
So cute.
बापू तेरी खूबी सारी मुझ में समा रखी, ओ तेरे जैसी मैंने इज्जत कमा रखी। ओ जब फर्ज उठाया जिम्मेदारियों का तब से ही दुखी मैंने कभी नहीं मार रखी। वो रोज मुझ में तेरी छवि देखा करती बापू, परछाइयां शेरों की कहाँ मरती। एक वजह होती है जो जीने की बापू, वो माँ की आंखों में दिखा करती। तू नहीं दुनिया में पर तेरी बात रहे, रामपाल फौजी के पोतों की पूरी ठाट रहे। और रख के हाथ जो सर पे मिटा दे गम सारे, पाप ही होता है। सही और गलत में फर्क बतावे ऐसा पाप ही होता है। और जो डांटे चाहे मारे पर दिल का साफ होता है। ज्यादा फिक्र न करे जमाने की, वो बाप ही होता है।
All the fathers in the world.
रे बापू आंख में ले आसमान से जब जब चेहरा तेरा दिखता है। मैं रोज लड़ू तूफान से, बंदा ठहरा कहाँ खिंचता है। मैं रोज पूछूं भगवान से क्यों तू साथ नहीं दिखता है। तू तरस ही खा के जगह बता दे, ख्वाब जहाँ बिकता है। क्यों ना वहीं से ही जाके मैं खरीद लूं। मुझे मांगे से प्यार मिलता नहीं, पर तेरा ही दिया हुआ सब रखा भोले, बस मुझे बाप दिखता नहीं।
That was the line, man. going up and then down.
Oh, that's a
आज
very
तेरे बिना भी मैं तेरी ही नजरों से दुनिया देखता हूँ
Ha 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 ha
मैं
ha
आज भी
ha
तेरे
ha
ना
ha.
होने का दुख एक हंसते हुए
That's
चेहरे से
a
लपेटता
very
हूँ
beautiful line. I want to
बापू
say.
तेरी दुआएं कुछ इस तरह मेरे साथ हैं आज धरती पे खड़ा होके मैं पूरे का पूरा आसमान समेटता हूँ
What a line, man.
और जो डांटे चाहे मारे पर दिल का साफ होता है चाहता फिक्र न करे जमाने की वो बाप ही होता है
So sad.
Ah.
Oh.
Oof, this is like heart wrenching, man. Difficult.
My God. Wow. That song literally was too good, so emotional. To watch the end part was more even like so emotional part, right? And as we all know, King, we have watched him from the time he had been participating in MTV Hustle. From there he has become the superstar, and we love him so much. His songs are always something similar to Bollywood style, right? And this time something which was a little bit emotional as well. And I just loved the little bit of section, the part, his part that he had done some little bit of rap thing, right? And overall completely it was an amazing song. And guys, we do really need to respect our father as well, because he do plays a very important role in the family, right? So without talking much, I think let's hear it from Sailesh also, right?
No, I think what do I say, man? This is such a emotional and heart-wrenching song. Amit Badana, we know, right? So he's one of the top YouTubers in India and I think across the world, and collaborating with King. So King is like King Rocco. We know is known to write great lyrics and his rap is like crazy. And we were asked to react on a lot of his song, but today I think it was the right opportunity and we did that. But I think the whole essence is around how much do we respect our father. We do, but we need to understand that there are a lot of things they don't say, and this song is all about that. They are like a solid rock, right? They never complain, but they do care for you, right? If you have a father, I think you need to give a call right now and talk to him, because they don't say, but they expect, right? So we are always matriarchal society, right, where we give importance to our mother. But I think this song is a pure example as to how a father is important and how he does without saying a word, right? He's always there for you guys. So I think it's pretty emotional, touched our heart, and we just loved it. And I think there's nothing to say, right? It's all there in the song. You can see the bond between a dad and a son, and when he goes, I think the world is empty, right? So with that, guys,
Thank you, Preeti, for the recommendation.
yeah, thank you.
Lovely number, right?
So if you are new to the channel, you know what to do. Subscribe, share, comment, and do whatever you want to do, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.